Okay, Mazda 2 Sport. The lever's driver's side, which is very convenient. You heard a good click there. Means the cable's not broken. You come round. You now see there's a gap starting there. That's the finger gap. Let's go around to the badge. Now, that finger there is now on a lever. It's now pressing a lever which I can press off to the right. The lever's about there. The lever's attached to the car rather than the bonnet itself. So now I've got to press that and lift at the same time. Let's see. So there's your badge. Your finger's there. And it's pushing over to there, okay? Necessary, you can get down on your knees and see through the gap. You can see that. There's the bonnet strut there. There's the bonnet strut hole. So the official way is to drop from about a foot, 9 inches. You heard a good clack there. Now the most important stage of this is now to verify that that's properly closed. I'm trying to lift. There's no movement now. I can't lift it. I can't push it down. There's no gap left.